Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? Hope you are fine and safe. Today's value: take a bath every day. You have to take bath every day. Today's value is take a bath every day. Today we are going to learn an interesting poem. The name of the poem is My Best Friend. See the word? Yeah, why? My best. B-E-S-T, best. Friend, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. The name of the poem is My Best Friend. So this poem is all about the poet telling his experience of praying to God. Shall we see the poem? Yes. Before I go to bed at night, I like to kneel and pray. And it is very nice to know that God hears what I say. Before I go to bed at night, I like to kneel and pray. And it is very nice to know that God hears what I say. I always tell Him, thank you, God, for all your gifts to me. I like to tell Him everything, for He is my friend, you see. I always tell Him, thank you, God, for all your gifts to me. I like to tell Him everything, for He is my friend, you see. So this poem is all about the poet who is telling his experience. Okay? B-E-F-O-R-E. What's the word? Before. I go, G-O-Go, T-O, to, bed, B-E-D, bed, at, A-D, at, night, N-I-G-H-T, night. Before I go to bed at night, I like, L-I-K-E, light, to, T-O, to, kneel, K-N-E-E-L, kneel. So here K is silent. So you have to pronounce this as a kneel. And A-N-D, and pray, P-R-A-Y, pray. And A-N-D, and it, I-T, it, I-S is very, V-E-R-Y, very nice. N-I-C-E, nice. To, T-O, to, no. Here also the K is silent. N-O-W, K-N-O-W, no. That, T-H-A-T, that, God, G-O-D, God, hears, H-E-A-R-S, hears, what, W-H-A-T, what I say. Before I go to bed at night, I like to kneel and pray. And it is very nice to know that God hears what I say. Here I refers the poet. Okay? See the poem. Before I go to bed at night. Here the poet telling before I go to bed. Before he go to bed, I like to kneel and pray. The poet like to kneel. See, this is called kneel. Kneel means to rest on knees. To rest on both the knees are called as kneel. So the poet likes to kneel and pray to the God. Before he goes to bed, he would like to kneel and pray to the God. And it is very nice to know that God hears what I say. The poet is telling it is very, very nice thing to know that God will hear his prayings. See, before I go to bed at night, I like to kneel and pray. And it is very nice to know that God hears what I say. So this is very, very nice thing to know or what I am praying to him. So the poet always every day, every night he will pray to the God, he will kneel and pray to the God and he thank the God. See the next stanza. I always, the poet always tell him, thank you God for all your gifts to me. I like to tell him everything, for he is my friend, you see. I always, A-L-W-A-Y-S, always, tell, T-E-L-L, tell him, H-I-M, him, thank you, T-H-A-N-K, thank you, Y-O-U, God, G-O-D, God. For, F-O-R, for, all, A-L-L, all, Y-O-U-R, your, gifts, G-I-F-T-S, gifts, T-O-2, M-E, me. I always tell him, thank you, God, for all your gifts to me. I like to tell him everything. I like, L-I-K-E, like, T-O-2, T-E-L-L, tell, H-I-M, him, everything, E-V-E-R-Y, T-H-I-N-G, thing, everything. For, F-O-R, for, he, H-E, he, I-S-S, M-Y, my, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. U, Y-O-U, C-S-E-E-C. I like to tell him everything, for he is my friend, you see. So the poet always tell him thank you to the God and for giving gifts to the poet. See, the poet always says thank you to the God. Why? The God will give gifts to the poet. That's why he is saying thank you to God. I like to tell him everything. The poet at the night shares everything to the God, for he is my friend. So the poet's friend is who? Yes, the poet's friend is God. So you see, the poet ends with, you see, my best friend is God only. I always tell him thank you for all your gifts to me. The poet says thank you to the God for giving the gifts to the poet. I like to tell him everything. So the poet shares everything with the God. For he is my friend, you see. So the God is the best friend for the poet, you see. Shall we read it once again, children? Before I go to bed at night, I like to kneel and pray. And it is very nice to know that God hears what I say. I always tell him thank you, God, for all your gifts to me. I like to tell him everything, for he is my friend, you see. So every day at night the poet kneel and pray to the God, and it is very nice thing that God will hear the poet's praying. So the poet always tell thank you to the God, that the God only giving gifts to the poet. Next one, the poet always like to share all the things to the God. And finally he said that God is my best friend, you see. Have you all understood, children? From this poem you can understand that you have to pray to the God. God only giving everything. He is the creator of the world, isn't it? So we have to thank the God for giving every gift to us. So we have to say thank you to the God at night or at morning. You have to begin the habit of praying. Have you all understood the poem, children? Shall we see the odd words? Yes. P-R-A-Y, pray. What does it mean by pray? To speak to God or to thank Him. So it means to speak to God directly, or it means to saying thank you to the God. Next one, kneel. Kneel means to rest rest on knees. See, this is knee. Knee means rest our both the knees. So this is for your home assignment. You have to write down the keywords, synonyms, antonyms in your CW notebook. You have to write down these things in your CW notebook, children. Refer the PDF which is attached with this video. And we will be having one more activity. For that, you have to complete page number 122 and 126 in your book. You have to complete both the pages for your activity. Hope you all understood the poem, children. Read it once again at your home. We'll meet you in the next class.